Excuse me, could you record us jumping off?
Yeah, it's done. Right, it's done it.
Just press it after the middle. It's already recording.
Excuse me! Oh, no! No! Smith!
What should I do with it now?